got it.
Follow him. He got energy and he got rhythm. There you go. He got release. Round one. Alright, we got Popula. It died, sorry. Bring it back to life. We'll give you an extra couple seconds for that, Popula. Come on, y'all, clap. Clap. Wow. That is the oldest trick in the book, but I've never seen a Popula do it. That is wonderful. Wow. Did y'all like that final battle, or was it just me?